guys, I'm gonna do a review and unboxing of HyperCloud Mix Bluetooth headset. So there you go. Take that off right there. Yeah, you just slide it down. You don't need this anymore. Go right here and down. Gonna open this, and there it is. HyperX. There's the other things. Tells you the guide. Here's the headset itself. Ooh, it looks a little bit tinier. What the heck? Looks tinier than expected, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be so much bigger. I thought it was gonna be big. Oh, actually, it's kind of big. Oh, the mic of the headset, which I really like this headset. It's okay. I really like this headset because like it's Bluetooth and you can go anywhere that you want to go. I can't take the stupid tape. Oh, it's pretty nice. Yeah, you can extend right here for people that have big heads, such as myself. Yeah, it's actually pretty good actually. That there's some box right here. Probably more power the wires and such to recharge. Supposedly this has a bag stand. It has a bag, so you can put your headphones. I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna say hyper. Oh, it does. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say HyperX right there. What else is in the box? Oh, the cables to connect to your headset when you're not doing it on Bluetooth. This is the wire when you're not using Bluetooth. You can mute, lower or up the volume. This is where you charge it. Didn't come with the cube or anything. This is where you put the mic on the headset. Feels pretty nice on the ears. It's really cushioning right here. On the top right here too is really cushioned. If you're gonna, I guess, game or listen to music or watch movies, I guess you can do it for hours at a time. Oh yeah, and then with the Bluetooth, supposedly it's 20 hours long of lasting with the Bluetooth. So looking forward to that. Right now I'm gonna show you how well is the mic. I'm gonna do a mic test right now, so yeah. And this is the mic test. I personally feel like it's really so amazing. Also, you can clearly hear my voice. It's way 10 times better than my other mic. My other mic was terrible. And from now on, I'm gonna use this headset and this mic for my future videos, for my gaming videos for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy it. And yeah, and this headset, I give it like a 9 out of 10, honestly. The only bad thing is that when you're in the phone, or like when you're using the Bluetooth mode, you can't use the mic that you connected to when you're doing it wired in Bluetooth. You can't use the mic that they to attach this to. You have to use a built-in mic that the headset have, which honestly, to downgrade, I feel like that mic when you're talking to somebody is way worse. It doesn't sound clear as this one. You can clearly hear my voice and my vocals and everything. So yeah, that's the only bad thing about this headset. But everything else, amazing, pretty good when you're in the game or while you listen to music. But the music, it doesn't have that much bass as most headsets. But all in all, in my opinion, I feel like it's great. The HyperX mix, it's a wonderful headset, and yeah, I'm gonna keep using this. See you later, guys.